You're tired of making videos with your face, but you still don't want to stop making videos with your face. Then in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make face videos, face content videos without you being the one always sitting down to make these videos. Now, this is going to take a little step and it will need a little bit of patience and editing. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do this with just your mobile phone. Although it seems a little bit off or a little bit unnatural, but at least you get the hype. You are still not the one doing the video. Let me show you how to do this in depth. I'm Samuel Favor and this is Techlensive, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and yeah, share this video to your friends that want to start a faced YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get into it. So basically, the first step you need to take will be taking the picture, that is the picture of your setup, of you in your setup. You have to take a professional picture of you sitting in your studio, or maybe sitting in the spot where you sit in your studio, just like the way I did mine. After that, we'll now have to head over to Hello AI. Now, Hello AI is an AI website that changes or adds motion to your videos. Now, I'm using Hello AI for this. When Hello AI opens, you would have to sign in or you would log in, depending on whatever you use. You would sign in either with your Google account or you use an email account to sign in, anyone that suits you. When you have logged in or when you have signed in, it's actually very simple. They give you 100 will I call it cubes, or 100 points daily. Yes, I'll just generally say they give you 100 points daily. So you click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you say that there are two options. For me, I want to change an image to a video. So in this option, you can see they tell you drag, paste, click to upload an image, and then you now write in the prompts that you want. You can enhance camera movement by inputting natural language or inserting instructions. Learn how to control camera movement. Now, that is why we are here. The only downside about Hello AI is that it can only be able to generate 6 seconds of video clip for you. So for you to be able to achieve this, it's either you would always have to regenerate your prompt or get different distance from the video and have different actions to it, or you can just use the one you've already generated and duplicate it into different parts and just use it. So for me, when you click on the image option, that is where you upload. You click the upload option. You can upload from either your file. You can even take a photo from the app, inside the app itself, but for me, I like taking the photo externally so that I would take the best photo and choose the one that I like. So I'll click on photo library. You can see I've already generated it, but because of this video. Now, after choosing it, I'll now go to where my photo is. I can either choose from any of the one I think is actually nice. I'll now click on, let's say, this one. When I click on this, what I will now do is I will click on done and the image is here. Now from here, you can now impute the prompt you want. If you're learning so far, do well to hit the subscribe button, and yes, do well to share this to your friends. Let's continue. Now, the prompt I'm going to be using for this is a sit down video, sit down image. I want to add mouth movement. For me to be able to generate this, I can only generate it with 30 points because, as I said, you can only generate 6 seconds of video. So once I click on generate, it will start generating and you see the points has reduced. Now you can be able to generate at least 3 videos in a day, except you upgrade. Now, talking about upgrades, I have affiliate links that are on the description in my bio of AI tools, where you can be able to generate short form videos or YouTube videos, and yes, without doing any work. That is if you want to go fully faceless. Do well to check it out. After a while, your video will be generated, and to find it, you click on the mine section that is below. That is if you're using your mobile phone. Now you can see that the video is already generated. It is a 6 seconds video, and yes, if you click on it, let's see what it gives us. It will load up to play. We can see how it is. It even gave me more like a 3D motion, and Like seriously, this is amazing. It's even much more interesting, more than the first one that I did. And it gave the lights that was shining by my side and even the laptop that was in my front. Yo, when did I get a MacBook? Anyways, if this is something you like or something you would want to use, then you can be able to download it. If you do not want this, you can also use the prompt that I used to make this other video that I've been using throughout the entirety of this video. But you see this one, I think I do love it. So I will download it into my phone with the watermark since I'm using the free version of this. So when I download it, it downloads into my gallery. But first off, let us check the prompt that I used to make this video, this one. So if I click on it, which is this one that I have been using to talk to you guys, the prompt on this one is let him talk and also give him some hand gestures while talking, like a tutorial video. Let it be at least 20 seconds, but you know, normally this 20 seconds would actually not work. And then I download it too. Let me still download it once more. I download it with the watermark. Now we have to go to where we are going to edit this video, which is the Capcut application. Now I have the videos in my gallery. What I will now do is I will impute the videos into my timeline. Then how this works basically is for you to be able to use this character, you would have to do a voiceover. Now you will do a voiceover for this video because of the mouth sync or the lip sync. You do not mind whether it lip syncs or not. What you just want is to be able to use the videos without really having to sit down. And yes, this one especially has the hand gestures and all. So it's perfect for whatever you want to do. So what you can do is you come here, you duplicate it as much as you want. Let's say I can duplicate it over 20 times or over 10 times, and anytime he's talking, it will have the hand gestures and all of it. This 5 6 seconds and then it continues again. It's just like that. You can do little trims and then you can add your voice over as if you're sitting down and he does the talking while you do the voiceover talking. And that is how you can be able to achieve this on your mobile phone. I hope this was helpful and you will start making videos with your face, but likely just with your picture. And anyways, this also works for those that want to also start creating animated content. That means if you want to use more like an animated character, like the Ghibli photos that are created from ChatGPT, you can also be able to do this and it would also work. What you just likely need would be your script and some other things. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Do well to hit the subscribe button and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.